How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much. So, where are you from?
Romania, but I live in Germany.
Oh,
I live in
Romania.
Germany.
Romania, but you are living in
I
German.
mean,
How long you have been living in German?
11 years.
11 years. Oh, it's been a long time. Well, so in a what? It's very hard to find someone who can speak English in German. So you speak English very good. How did you learn English?
In school, we make that in school.
Well, but do you speak English at your work or there anywhere?
No,
How do you hold this practice? If you can't really practice English with other people, so
I watch movies. That's why I speak. So my English is very good because I make it in school. So like 12 classes, I make it in school English. So I speak English better than my own language. So it's good.
wow,
Yes,
you speak English better than any other language.
yes.
Yeah, but what kind of practice just help you to improve your fluency?
Movies, serious,
Mm.
Netflix.
Okay, just by watching movie, whether or short video like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay. You know what? I'm just learning English. This platform is very effective and even indispensable for every single learner if they can use this platform just in the right way. Like as we are speaking in English, so I'm just getting some
Yeah.
new words, some ideas from you. So that's the way everyone should go through to learn English.
Everybody is going through this.
Yeah. Well,
Believe me.
well. So what do you do for yourself in German?
Now I'm feeling not good, so I have. Oh, fuck, my English is shit. Because of German, because I thinking in Germany.
Okay. Okay.
So now I'm not working because I'm sitting at home because I'm because I'm sick.
Yeah. Okay. So as you born in Romania, right? You born in Romania,
Yeah,
and now you are living in German for 11 years.
German.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
so what is the difference between Romania and German? Which is the best place for you?
Germany.
Why? What is the difference?
The difference. Uh, so the medical assistance is not so good in the Romanian, but it's better in Germany. The income, so the money what you keep when you're working, it's more than in Romanian. So in Romanian you don't get so many money when you're working because you have to pay the rent, and that costs a lot. And if you are not in two, so two person in the same house who can pay half the rent, you cannot have alone.
Pretty good. So that means if you work in German, you would get the better money rather than the Romania.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So do you know Bangladesh?
I hear about Bangladesh. I know the country, but I never was there. I was never there. I was never there.
Oh, so that it seems to me that you have been to any other country for exploring as a tourist. Where did you
I
go?
was in a lot of countries to explore. Greenland, Italy, Spain, Cape of Nicolas, Scotland, England, Hungary, Austria und Switzerland.
Oh, you are really a travel lover. So, which country do you want to go on your next tour?
Greenland. Greece. But
Greek.
wait, Greenland is in German. Greece.
Okay, Greek. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you recite Instead, you can come in Bangladesh. It's not too bad. Very good country.
Oh, I don't think I will come to Bangladesh. One, because I don't know nobody there.
Nobody knows any other place until the person goes there. Okay, so
Yeah,
you come here, everything you will be known as well, and I can be your travel guide. There's no need to pay me, but as a friend, I can just I can be your travel guide. But why you are not interested in South Asian countries? Why you are not interested?
I don't know.
Oh, you okay.
I think I don't have an answer for that. But in the moment, I really don't have time to travel.
Okay,
Right?
fair enough.